Around 3 months ago, me and my brother Luca started working on a game called Cody's Nightmare. It's a pixel art platformer game about a little boy named Cody who is trapped in his nightmare, and his only way out is to overcome his fears. In the previous devlog, we made some really cool stuff. For example, a water gun that actually shoots lasers, or this cute bug enemy. We were thinking, what should we add next, and then decided to make Cody's first friend. In the real world, when Cody is awake, there's a movie about giant space robots, and Cody really likes that movie. So his first friend will be a character from that movie. Luca made an idle animation and I gave him life with the power of Unity. We didn't come up with a name for the space robot, so you can drop your best ideas in the comments. Since they are friends, they need a way to communicate. Luca made some dreamy looking text boxes and now they can talk to each other. After we made a friend, I think it's time to add some more enemies, but I need to fix a few things before that. Jump animation frames weren't positioned the best, so I tweaked it a little bit and made it better. Not perfect, but better. When I finished that, we wanted to improve the terrain. We started by expanding the level, and by the way, this is just the temporary tile set. The final one will look much better. After that, we made some obstacles. The first one is this acid pool, in which you shouldn't swim. Not because we didn't make scripts and animations for that, but just because you shouldn't. And when you go a little deeper through the level, you encounter this acid rain. Where does that come from, you may ask? You see, the acid pool that you saw a few seconds ago became green, because I think it looks much better, and it became so strong that it started leaking on the other side. Now it's time to add some more enemies. Just before that, like and subscribe if you haven't already. You might have seen the first enemy on Twitter, and it's some kind of giant wasp, since every kid fears those. It patrols around its block, and if it sees you, that happens. After the giant wasp, we wanted a shooting enemy, so we came up with some kind of worm that sticks out of the floor and occasionally throws up on you. Just look how smooth the turning animation is. Now is the time for the part that is most fun when making a game. It's time to make the first boss, but unfortunately you'll need to wait for the next devlog to see that. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and see you in the next one.